Hello, friends. So recently I came across an article named The Strategic Sidekick, authored, published by an EY partner from the West. Now, the article is an eye opener or something which is a directional change for all the professionals like myself to think of to engage in something beyond your current professional work. Now, the idea is that we need to develop all round in every sector to reach a C level uh, category of an employee. Now, to reach that level, it is important that we have a wide experience with wide ranging skills and broader perspective and understanding of management of each and every aspect. Now, this is something which has been highlighted by the paper published, which is an Harvard Business Review published as well. So that talks about uh, how it is important that even if we are engaging a lot within our professional domain, be it 60 hours or whatever, but spare out a couple of hours per week in something which is outside your professional work, but utilizes your skills and everything, and in a constructive way engage with an NGO or a firm which requires your help. So this is a philanthropic activity where engage in that particular thing at the board level or whatever form of support, whatever skill you have. The only important thing is that we need to be passionate of what we are doing in those couple of hours, because without that, the the momentum will get lost in the process. So it's important that we are committed to that engagement of a couple of hours per week or even something more or less in that range, and develop ourselves parallelly along with the professional life. And that is something which helps any professional. And beyond that, it helps us grow our network and it helps us grow, understand ourselves better, and find ourselves in different domains. And that will help professionals to express themselves even more deeply, and that it should be like creating synergy with your professional work, and it need not be something which is hidden. Rather, talk with your colleagues and bosses, whomsoever, and make them understand why this engagement is important and how this will create a synergy and build myself as a person and help the company as well. So from that perspective, I think the strategic side gig is something we can all think of. And yes, I'm thinking on it. And I think we should all think on it, that what can be done, how to develop ourselves parallelly apart from the professional engagement. Thank you.